scale dance before you, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome paddlers, sponsors, volunteers, and friends of Catholic Charities. Dragon Boat Race Day 2012 has finally arrived. Beginning in a few minutes, our 36 teams will begin to fulfill the challenge they accepted to practice, train, and compete so they can make a difference in the lives of our neighbors.
Catholic Charities is so critical to the region, and we want to be part of making Baltimore a better place for thousands and thousands of people who need help, especially now. And finally, I want to salute to the 34 sponsors whose teams have also diligently and are racing today for charity as well as glory and bragging rights. Have a great day.
Constellation Energy has been involved with this race since 1998. Really important for us and our core values that we get involved with the community, and our leadership embraces it, our employees embrace it. Every other year we get really excited about this race, and the fact that we can help somebody out and help families out and help them change their lives for the better is huge. It's just an awesome feeling for us.
Harkins Builders has been a sponsor of Dragon Boat from the very beginning. The whole company really is involved in the spirit. Everybody comes down to support the team. It is an incredible event in all respects. It raises money for Catholic Charities, which is the best charity, the best community agency that there is.
One of the core beliefs at Wells Fargo is giving back to the communities that we serve, and also internally is to make sure that we collaborate as a team and work together as one unit. And when you look at the Dragon Boat race and what Associated Catholic Charities has put together today, it truly accomplishes both at the same time.
Now the Archbishop and I, in the spirit of tradition, will apply red paint to the dragon's eyes. This symbolizes awakening the spirit of the dragon and readiness for racing. The Chinese believe that painting the red eyes also gives both the boats and the paddlers in them the strength of the dragon.
The most exciting aspect, I think, is, of course, the competition. Just being out there, you know, rowing hard against the other teams, seeing what you put together in practice. You know, KPMG, we've done this every year since '98, and I can remember the third day with the firm. When I joined the firm back in '98, somebody said, hey, there's Dragon Boats. I said, what's that? So I decided to sign up, and certainly have enjoyed the thrill of competition. We've been partnered with St. Jerome's Head Start ever since. It's wonderful to see, you know, their leaders and the kids come out week after week to support us. So we love the competition, and we can't wait to do it again 2 years from now.
So this is my second year with doing the Dragon Boat races, and I've been in the lead paddler position, so setting the stroke and the pace for the team, and it's been a lot of fun. 2 years ago when we got into this, we had no idea what we were getting into, and we just had a tremendous time with it. It was great team building, so it's been really exciting, and I think, you know, we get out here and we feel like it's all about the competition, and we get all caught up in it, but at the end of the day, right, we're raising money for a great cause, for Sarah's House, and that really feels good. So no matter win or lose, right, we're out here to have fun, and our partner program, Sarah's House, wins no matter what we do.
KPMG, we're proud to present St. Jerome's with a check for $3,634, and it's actually higher than that.
Charities. As defending Dragon Boat Race champions, we definitely feel the pressure from winning 2 years ago. Just as important, though, for Brown Advisory is the fundraising competition, which we've won in 2008 and again in 2010. Each year we've raised over $20,000.
Brown Advisory employees have been involved working at Our Daily Bread for the past 10 years, serving meals, breakfasts, and lunches. On another note, members of our firm have also served on the board of Catholic Charities since the Alex Brown days. We're thrilled to be partnered with Our Daily Bread. It's a beautiful facility and serves a unique impact on the Baltimore community.
People are coming together with a common purpose, a purpose of improving the lives of our fellow neighbors in need. I can't think of anything better than coming to Baltimore's Inner Harbor on a beautiful Saturday, knowing what happens here impacts lives, improves our communities, and really develops a fellowship and a movement to improve lives.